Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Danny from Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for a Saturday showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday showcase is where I show all the creations that I've made throughout the week. In the description box below, I have links to all the blog posts if you want to know more information about the cards that I share. Let's get started. My first card was for a challenge to use manatees, and I was so excited because I had this manatee stamp set and it was a perfect time to pull it out and use it. This is from Craft and Kimmy. It's called Manatee Pals. I did add some texture in the background there using my Copic colorless blender. I have a tutorial on that. I'll link that below as well. And everything pretty much is Copics or Craft and Kimmy inks on here. And some little dewdrops, I think they're called. I've had these in my stash forever. I just think that turned out so fun with those manatee friends. You're a one-of-a-kind friend. Next up was, I have already shared this card, but sharing it again. Dream came true when I was asked to be on the Craft and Kimmy design team. So I made this card with the Crafty Love stamp set from Craft and Kimmy. I love you more than stamps, and that's a lot. And that is a lot. If you've seen my craft room tour, you know that I love stamps. So whoever gets this will definitely know they're loved. I will link that craft room tour video below as well. And my drawing is still open for one more day. I'm giving away a gift certificate to the Craft and Kimmy store. All the information is on my blog, and so I will link that below. Next up was for the current Craft and Kimmy Saturday challenge. Well, I guess it ended Friday. It was to use the color red. So I colored up this beautiful flower set from Craft and Kimmy called Wildflower Wonder. I tried something new. Not sure I like it or not. Let me know below if you like it with this darker shadowy around it. I kind of do, don't. I don't know. I don't know how I feel. Anyways, that was that one. Next up, I used this alicorn from TLC Designs. I recently learned that an alicorn is a flying unicorn, and this stamp set is called Alicorn Happiness. It's from TLC Designs. And then this is some digital paper also from TLC Designs, as well as the die. I just thought it was such a pretty color for a winter alicorn, because who says that mythical creatures are only for warm weather? And I got some sparkle on there. Hopefully you can see that. Next, each week the Craft and Kimmy Facebook group has a Christmas challenge to help you get ahead on your Christmas cards. This week, well, I guess last week, was to use Christmas lights. So this fun guy here from the Believe in Your Elf stamp set just begged to be inked up and colored up. And I found this paper in my stash. So much fun. And I added some glitter pen for his lights. Hopefully you can see that kind of shimmer there. So he's fun. Believe in your elf. And then my last card for the week. Every Wednesday, Craft and Kimmy has an Inspirational Wednesday blog post where they feature one stamp set. That stamp set is on sale that week, usually a good percentage off. This week, Crafty Girl Danielle had used the You're a Hoot stamp set, and she inspired me to get it out because I had never inked it up. The background here is from my Fun with Stencils video, the cloud one. I'll link that below. And then I love this owl with his little big glasses. And then I used a punch that a friend had given me that I've never used. Just thought it kind of reminded me of like bird feathers, just to add some interest. And that's that one. You're a hoot. And those are all my cards for this week. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like what you see, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel, click the bell for notifications, And until my next video, go do something for yourself. Get crafty, go crafty shopping. There is a new Craftin' Kimmy release today. Some cute, cute stuff. I will link the shop below. You're definitely going to want to check it out. Anyways, go crafty shopping or just sit back, relax, and enjoy the day. Have an awesome crafty day.